Welcome Professor Auguste Piccard, a Swiss physicist, inventor, and explorer.
The first man to really see the Earth from stratosphere.
On May 27, 1931, Dr. Piccard and Paul Kupfer took off from Augsburg, Germany in a hot air balloon with his invented gondola and reached a record altitude of 15.8 kilometers, 51,775 feet. During this flight, Piccard was able to gather substantial data on the upper atmosphere, as well as measure cosmic rays. This was no small feat. Before the advent of modern-day NASA, before the internet, before the space flights, before the moon landings, a man took the true giant step, a serious leap for mankind.
And yet there is no mention of him in our history books.
I wonder why.
Some of them are our true unsung heroes indeed.
Professor Auguste Piccard, the man who saw and stated the real thing. Don't follow the hype. Follow your heart. You know the truth.